Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will take you step by step through the process of registering your business in the USA. Whether you're starting a small side hustle or launching a large enterprise, understanding how to legally register your business is crucial for your success. Here's how to do it in a simple and clear way. Choose your business structure. The first step in registering your business in the USA is choosing the right business structure. The most common options are sole proprietorship. This is the simplest form, where the business and the owner are considered one entity. LLC, Limited Liability Company, offers personal liability protection and is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses. Corporation. A more complex structure that allows you to issue shares but comes with stricter regulations. Choosing the right structure depends on your business goals, the number of people involved, and your plans for future growth. Consult with a legal or financial advisor if you are unsure. Pick a business name. Once you've chosen your business structure, you need to come up with a name. This is important because your business name represents your brand. Ensure that your business name is unique and not already in use by another company in your state. You can do a name search through the state's business registration website. Also, make sure the name complies with any state-specific rules, such as including LLC in the name if you are forming an LLC. Register with the state. After selecting your structure and name, you will need to register your business with the state. This process varies by state, but typically involves filling out the required forms, e.g., articles of incorporation for a corporation, articles of organization for an LLC, paying a registration fee, which can range from $50 to $500 depending on your state, submitting your application online or by mail. Obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number. An EIN is like a social security number for your business. It is used by the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. You can apply for an EIN through the IRS website for free. This step is essential if you plan to hire employees, open a business bank account, or apply for business credit. Get the necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your business type and location, you may need additional permits or licenses to operate legally. Local, state, and federal governments issue various permits and licenses for different industries. Check with your state and local government to ensure you meet all regulatory requirements, such as health permits, building permits, or zoning permits. Once these steps are completed, your business will be legally registered and ready to operate. The registration process might seem overwhelming, but breaking it down into these clear steps makes it manageable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips on starting and managing your business.